Hello guys, hope you're doing fine wherever you're watching from. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your local disk C or C drive in Windows 10. The procedure I'm going to show you, it is very effective and simple. We are not going to install any third-party program. So once you clean your local disk C, you will be improving on the speed of your computer. So let us begin. You go to your search button here, you type in run. So when you type in the run, it's going to display for you this run interface. So here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to first type in this command, %temp, then I press OK. So when you press OK, as you're seeing, it's going to display for you these files. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete. Then skip. So it is deleting all the temporary files that I'm not using, as you're seeing. So it is deleting all the temporary files. So that step is done. So I go ahead and close. The second step, what you're going to do, in most cases when we delete files from the computer, they go to the recycle bin. But if you delete a file without holding shift, the file is going to be stored in the recycle bin, and as a result, it's going to be occupying space on local disk C. So you have to make sure that whenever you're deleting an item from your computer, you press shift, then delete. So let me also empty my recycle bin. To empty the recycle bin, you simply right click on it, and then you click on empty recycle bin. Are you sure you want permanently delete? Yes, I want to delete. So that is done. The other step, the last step, we're going to do a disk cleanup. So for the disk cleanup, still you go back to the search button, you type there the run command, it display for you this run interface. So here you're going to write there clean mgr, then you press OK. When you press OK, it will display this interface. Select the drive you want to clean up. I want local disk C, so it is already selected. I press OK. It begins the cleanup. So here it will display for you this interface. You can use this cleanup to free up to this amount of disk space on C. So I'm going to come here and I select all these check boxes, since I need all these temporary files out of my computer. So after selecting them, you go ahead and press OK. Are you sure you want to delete permanently? Yes. So when you click yes, it begins removing the temporary files. So that is done. So